Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thank you.
The DS4 is a stylish and luxurious compact car produced by French automaker, DS Automobiles. It was first introduced in 2021 and has since become a popular choice for drivers looking for a high-quality, well-designed vehicle. One of the most striking features of the DS4 is its exterior design. It has a sleek, modern look with clean lines and a bold front grille that is instantly recognizable. The car is available in a range of colors, including metallic finishes that add to its sophisticated appearance. Inside, the DS4 continues to impress with a luxurious interior that is packed with high-tech features. The dashboard has a minimalist design that is easy to navigate, and the seats are made of high-quality materials that are both comfortable and durable. The car also features a panoramic sunroof that lets in plenty of natural light, making the interior feel spacious and airy. Under the hood, the DS4 is powered by a range of efficient engines that deliver impressive performance. The base model comes with a 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that produces 130 horsepower, while higher trim levels offer a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that can produce up to 225 horsepower. The car is also available in a hybrid variant, which combines a 1.6-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor to produce a combined output of 225 horsepower. In terms of safety features, the DS4 is equipped with a range of advanced systems that help to keep passengers safe on the road. These include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, among others. Overall, the DS4 is a highly desirable compact car that offers a perfect combination of style, luxury, and performance. Whether you're driving around town or embarking on a long journey, this vehicle is sure to provide a comfortable and enjoyable experience. The base model of the 2023 DS4 comes with a 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that produces 130 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission. The estimated fuel economy for this engine is around 45 miles per gallon, mpg, on the highway and 34 mpg in the city. Moving up the range, the 2023 DS4 is also available with a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that produces 225 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The estimated fuel economy for this engine is around 40 mpg on the highway and 29 mpg in the city. For those interested in an even more efficient option, the 2023 DS4 is available in an all-electric variant known as the DS4 E-Tense. This model is powered by a 100 kWh battery pack and has an estimated range of up to 435 miles on a single charge. It produces 220 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, and is paired with a single-speed transmission. The price for this model is higher than the gasoline options due to its advanced electric powertrain technology. The prices for the 2023 DS4 vary depending on the engine and trim level selected. The base model with the 1.2-liter engine starts at around $26,000, while the top-of-the-line DS4 E-Tense with all wheels